Hey guys, so today, this is one of the things from my Amazon order that trickled in. So I got this little polygel set. It was only like a couple dollars, so I figured it was just worth a try. Okay, so in this bag came Huizhiyu polygel, and it says that this is a nude pink, and then there's like the little clamping. I don't know if I'll be using it, but it's supposed to hold down the, now what came with it is the dual forms, which is what I really wanted too, because I've never had dual forms. So this is going to be interesting. But with the dual forms, anyone that doesn't know, you take your product, which more of the times than none could be either acrylic or some type of a gel product, and you're going to layer it inside, and then you're going to pop it on, and you will cure it, and then it cures really smoothly from what I'm learning. And then these two little notches that are on the side, let me put it there so you can see. You use that to kind of like manipulate it and then loosen it off the finger, and then you'll have your extension. And then it came with a file. There's no grit number. And then it came with a brush. And then it came with the tool, I guess, that you use to take the polygel out of the tube. You squeeze it out, and then you kind of like scoop it, swipe it off from there. What I'm surprised about though is it didn't come with any type of solution, which in a sense I'm glad, because the solution probably would have opened while it was in the shipment and everything would have gotten soaked and wet or whatever. So basically I'm going to use the alcohol that I have here. Okay guys, so here I am on a different day, feeling much perkier, because I know you could tell in the previous part of this video I was exhausted. I was pushing myself because I was having so much fun. It has nothing to do with how many videos I can get out there. It's just that, you ever feel like that? You get into something and you're enjoying it so much you don't even realize how much time passes you. And that's basically what happened to me. But it got to a point where my body shut down and I had to call it quits. So here I am. I think I mentioned before, I don't know anything about polygel. Well, actually I know some things about polygel because I have done nails before. I've just never used a polygel product, so this will be my first time at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my nails real quick.